Price TV. Subscribe now.
Garmin, the U.S. innovation organization best known for its route frameworks, plans to grandstand an all-new auto infotainment framework at the 2018 Consumer Electronics Show. Be that as it may, the reason this news truly aroused our advantage is on the grounds that the framework's presentation obviously demonstrates another Volvo inside, potentially for the 2020 Volvo S60 and V60. Dutch distribution Auto Rai first found the association and announced the news on Friday. The video exhibits some run-of-the-mill Volvo inside parts and outline, for example, the vertical focus touchscreen, streaming focus stack, and market app selector, and the video in the long-run skillet over the guiding haggle group. However, we can't exactly make out the Volvo logo on the directing wheel. Volvo hasn't shared any news or photographs of the cutting-edge S60 or V60, which makes the video all the additionally charming. The news about the control interface and infotainment framework is truly cool, as well. It has brilliant dials with touch and flip controls and computerized faces. Climate and stopping data show for the show's route course. The Garmin infotainment framework appeared in this puzzle. Volvo has remote excitement and route bolster for tablets in the auto. Amazon Alexa is incorporated with the framework. The measure bunch, indicated quickly, likewise shows advanced checks and the route delineate the screen. The group is more than likely very configurable, as well, likened to the Audi virtual cockpit. The 2020 S60 and V60 are expected for a 2019 uncover, and they will be the principal vehicles to take off of Volvo's new Ridgeville, South Carolina, plant, which is booked to open in the second from last quarter of this current year. The brand right now manufactures the S60 in Europe and in China, yet all future autos will call South Carolina home. SUV could likewise be worked at the US plant.